So here we are local. We're at Grimes Point and we're just walking around. It's an overcast day, it's sprinkling, and just pretty much going for a little walk. See if I can get any shots. If I can, cool. If I can't, whatever. So yeah, that's what's today. So here we go. We're gonna try this again. So not only did the battery die right after I did that little intro, but we decided we don't want to walk up this trail. We wanted to go to the other side. So now we're on the other side. So this is what we got to work with. But I think the idea is to walk up to the top. I definitely chose the wrong shoes for this. Like literally some Skechers. Okay, so we went up pretty decently and we decided abort. Gets colder and colder as we get up there. And I know other photographers go through much worse, but you know, it is what it is. But we have another location in mind that we're going to go check out. It doesn't require a whole lot of climbing. And it's about 40 feet from the car.
And it's going to be less windy.
And less windy, yes.
The hills here,
Yeah, so it's all good. I've been here a bunch of times already and taken shots. So I don't think I'm going to find...
We'll come back for that trail though, so I want to see how it goes.
So I don't think there's anything that, you know, I haven't gotten yet. So we're gonna head over to an abandoned school that I also have done a video about, but we're gonna get some shots there and then we're gonna call it a day. So yeah. All right, so we're at this location. Somebody broke the window out of the school. Disrespectful.
Assholes. Sorry.
But we're not here to get shots of the school. We're here to get shots of that. With the clouds behind it, you know, maybe something a bit creepy. So we'll see. I'm over here and I switched back to shooting an f8 because I'm a creature of habit. F16 was cool, but f8 is just, that's where I kind of want to live with this. Of course that could change later. I don't know. But right now, so I'm getting some shots. I wish there was something in the foreground that I could focus on and have the house in the background, but there's like literally, there's this right here. There's just some bushes. And the bushes are a bit too tall to focus downward. So this is what I'm left with. So here's the shot. I don't even know if you can see that. Here's the shot. Doing a 2-second timer, so let's try it. Yeah, it's a decent composition. Maybe I could be lower. So I might drop the tripod down a little bit lower to see what I can get. So I'll do that and we'll go from there. All right, so we found this piece of wood and just kind of stuck it in front just to get something in the foreground. I took a few shots of it, so I'm gonna bracket those together or not bracket. I'm gonna focus stack those together. And so here's that picture. Here's how it looks on camera. Pretty decent. So yeah, I'm gonna get a few more shots of that, and then that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll walk around the other side and see if there's another shot that I want to get, but other than that, it's kind of what I came out here for. There's that shot again.